What's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Gang, my name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. For those that don't know, TTG is the fastest growing, highest rated online educational platform that is available to retail traders today. And at True Trading Group, results matter. We're not just about empty words and broken promises here. And because of that, we've got one simple goal. That's to help you guys learn, trade, and profit. Now, if you're new, I want you guys to make sure that you like and share this video, but more importantly, make sure you are subscribed to the channel because 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here for free where myself, other pro traders from TTG, as well as special guests, drop golden nuggets and provide you guys with free lessons and education that can help you guys become better traders. All right. So, but why should you listen to any of the stuff that I talk about in my lives? I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. Began my career as a trader working for a fund in New York City. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession, the housing market crisis, stock market crash. But it was that same time period that I actually went on to receive one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now, aside from that, and perhaps even more importantly, since 2016, my team and I at True Trading Group have literally helped thousands of retail traders achieve peace of mind from financial freedom by trading stocks, options, and crypto. Guys, no matter what you have heard online, trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, okay? Trading is a skill. It's a skill that needs to be learned just like any other, especially since this skill is one that can help you reach financial dreams that you never thought were possible. At True Trading Group, we teach you how to fish. We teach you how to stand on your own 2 feet, how to become a self-sufficient trader. Tonight's live stream is going to go down as follows. All right. We've got some action we got to talk about in the overall markets and something that I said yesterday on my live stream yesterday. If you guys follow my live streams, if you were with me last night, there was one very specific thing that I said on my live stream yesterday that came to fruition today. It's almost like we have a crystal ball at True Trading Group, but we really don't. But maybe we do. Not really. I swear we don't. But you never know. We're going to start this off with a 15, 20-minute Q&A session. I'm going to give some time for people to log on, let you guys ask me questions. I'm here. I've got about 17 years of experience. I'm literally telling you to ask me anything. Okay, so we got some questions from people that have actually already submitted some questions to us, both members and non-members. And then maybe we'll take a couple of new ones from the crowd. Okay, so then after that, do the Q&A session. I'm going to be going over the TTG membership for a couple of minutes. We've got a Black Friday deal that I got to talk to you guys about. We got some really great discounts and incentives to join the TTG family this week and this week only. So I want to talk to you guys about that. And then we're going to get into exactly what happened today in the markets, how we made big time bucks from SPY put options today. If you guys were on the live stream last night, I told you this would happen. If you guys were in chat with us today, you absolutely killed it. Congratulations, my TTG fam. It was a wild day in chat today. A lot of big gains. Congrats to all my fam that hit it today. And then for those of you that are interested, later on in the live stream, I'll show you the entire TTG platform. And yes, I'm saying platform because True Trading Group is a lot more than just courses, trade alerts, and a chat room, folks. We are far different than what you may be thinking. True Trading Group is a platform that is designed to level the playing field for the retail trader. We not only give you the same education I received when I worked at a fund in New York, so you know you're getting a professional level education, but we also arm you and provide you with the tools and resources that professional traders use on a daily basis, all on your TTG platform at no additional cost. It's all included in your membership. So there's a lot more to the platform than just alerts in the chat room. I'll show you guys that later on in the live for those that are interested. Okay? But before we get things started, we're going to go ahead now and we are going to begin that Q&A. Gang, start typing your questions in chat right now. There's no such thing as a stupid question. Don't forget that. Don't be shy. Don't be embarrassed. Let's go ahead and begin that Q&A. Nice. Way to go, Gio. Gio goes, Mike, my absolute best day ever. 200% on SPY puts. And then I hit APVO for a boom. Great job, Gio. Great job, Gio. I started TTG with $500 and I have made $1,100 thus far. How do I overcome the fear that all will fall apart? Oof. Good question. Just walk before you run. Just walk before you run. Congratulations on already doubling your account. But I'd say one of the mistakes that I see a lot of traders make is as soon as they get a taste of success, they automatically want to go 150 miles an hour. Well, what happens when you go 150 miles an hour? You lose control of your car and you crash. So, unless you're me racing Adam on the race car tracks in Vegas, then you win. Adam just sent me a message and goes, F you. For those that don't know, Adam is my business partner and co-founder of TTG Group. He's behind the scenes right now, kind of helps produce these live streams, and he doesn't like when I dig at him when him and I would always race cars on the racetrack in Vegas, and I toast them every time. So, Adam, it's all good, man. I love you. I swear, you got another chance. We'll give you another chance at it. But that's my piece of advice to you. Okay, is to walk before you run. Once you start to gain that little bit of success, don't try to all of a sudden start doing things differently that got away from the success that you're experiencing, right? Because what you have done has helped you double your account. So let's just do that exact same thing again. But when traders start to have success, they start doing different things. They start making different types of trades. They get bigger position size. They do all these crazy things. Stay focused, stay grounded, stay humble, and just stay on path. Don't try to get too big too quickly. What do you mean by you can control your loss, but not your gains? Okay. Wow. Another really good question. What do I mean by I can control my loss, but not my gains? Okay. When it comes to trading, you have absolutely no control. Okay. How high a stock is going to go. So let's say you buy a stock at $20. There's no way for you have no control if that stock's going to go to 22, 25, 28, 35, 40. No, you have no control over that whatsoever. Okay. Obviously, the further the stock goes is going to determine how much money you're going to make. So you don't really have much control over how much money you're going to make. What you do have control over is exactly how much money you're going to lose. That's what you do have control over, because you can very straightforward say to yourself, I'm going to buy the stock at 20. If it goes to 18.50, I'm going to get out. So you have complete control of how much money you will lose when you get yourself into a trade. A lot of people do not realize the control that they have, and they just float down the raging river without a paddle and are just at the mercy of the markets without realizing that all they need to do is get out of the raft and they can stand. The water's only 3 feet deep. You have complete control over how much money you will lose in a losing trade. Nobody should ever, and I mean ever, say these words. Oh my God, I just got killed. Oh, that trade killed me. You should never have to say that. Why? How could a trade kill you? Are you not sticking to your stop loss? Did you have too much position size? You can control how much money you're going to lose if you're wrong. And in this game, and I'll share with you a quote. My TTG fam, they know this quote extremely well. But this is a quote that my mentor, when I worked at the fund, who was my boss, who was also one of the partners at the fund, he told me this quote. It completely changed my life because it changed my trading. And when it changed my trading, that is therefore then changed my life. That's now I'm sitting in front of you guys talking to you guys about risk management. Okay. Great traders are more concerned with how much they're going to lose if they're wrong. Struggling traders are more concerned with how much they're going to make if they're right. Remember that quote, because truer words have never been spoken when it comes to trading. Always focus on your risk management and controlling your loss. And that is what I mean by you can control your losses, but you can't control your gains. Next question. Oh, a two-part question. What is trader identity? How much does lifestyle play a role in finding my trader identity? Okay, trader identity. Again, and these are great questions, because these are questions these are topics that I see that beginner traders really struggle with a lot. And a lot of people don't realize that there is such a diverse amount of styles and strategies that you can implement as a trader. Too many people, they go on YouTube, they're like, oh my goodness, this person made 20 grand today. Let me follow them and do exactly what they do. Now that's great that that person made 20 grand today, but are you going to make 20 grand doing what they did? And what a lot of people tend to realize is that they can't, and that a particular person's trading style may not work for them. Your trading style may not work with mine, but there are so many different styles. There's day trading, there's swing trading, you have scalping, which I don't do. I'm more of a traditional day trader. My trades last anywhere from several minutes to several hours long. I also do swing trading. We also trade stocks, we trade options, we trade crypto. We, like I said, day trade, swing trade. We do high volatility, low volatility, trend continuation, trend reversal. There's a whole slew of different trading styles that are out there. Now, in True Trading Group, it is not just myself. There's 8 other professional traders, specifically by design, have different trading styles that each of them specialize in. And that is because I think that it's very important for at least beginner traders when they're first getting started to have exposure to different trading styles to figure out which style works best for them. There are so many people out there that have quit trading without ever giving another style a shot. And what I have found, and this is from doing, thousands of one-on-one mentor sessions with our members of True Trading Group, that a lot of times people are just trying to do the wrong style, a style that doesn't work for them. Now, what determines your style? Personality traits and lifestyle. Lifestyle, not in the sense of, oh, I like lavish vacations and fancy dinners. Lifestyle in the sense of, like, what do you do for a living? Like, are you sitting in front of a computer screen all day long, or are you out on a construction site? Are you in an operating room, maybe a courtroom, maybe you're driving a police car, and you're not able to be in front of your computer screen? So that's going to obviously affect the type of trading style that you're going to implement. You're not going to be able to follow a scalper, someone that buys and sells within 45 seconds. You're not going to be able to do that. So no matter how hard you try to follow somebody else that has a trading style that doesn't work for you, you're never going to be successful because it's not for you. Some people like to go to the amusement park and they like to go on the roller coaster that goes upside down 3 times. Other people like to go on the merry-go-round. And then other people are kind of right in the middle and they really enjoy the log flume. There's so many different types of trading styles that are out there. I think it's important you have exposure to different ones, because sometimes it could be just as easy as, well, stop trying to day trade fast moving, high volatile small caps and maybe start swing trading some lower volatility, large cap options. Entirely different trading style, entirely different strategy that one trader could have complete failure and then all of a sudden have total success. That's why I think that's important. We'll help you guys identify what style is right for you at your trading group. That's why there's all the different moderators. It's me and 8 other traders that all have different styles, and you guys can really get a feel for whose style fits best for you. But it's something that we really work on, especially when I do like the one-on-one mentor sessions with our members. Thoughts on ISPC today? Let's pull it up. Oh. Oh, sorry, guys. I was reading the wrong question. No disrespect in big capital letters. I feel like that's just disrespectful. Why couldn't I make a list of topics and research them on YouTube instead of spending? I mean, you could. Good luck. You could. You could. But I'll tell you this: there's a lot of bullshit on YouTube, and I don't like to curse on here, so I do apologize if any of your children are around or are listening. But there's a lot of BS on Twitter. I mean, on YouTube, there really is. There's a lot of BS on YouTube. There's a lot of people on YouTube that are giving out information without having a proper understanding of the education or the information, I should say, that they're giving out. Listen, there's plenty of YouTube channels out there that are great. Okay, there's plenty of YouTube channels out there that are great, that give away really good information. There's other channels out there that I've actually seen people, I've actually seen specifically, because it's in my head, it will always be in my head, that there was a YouTube that I watched that somebody sent to me because they were asking me a question about something that they said, and they were actually explaining certain things wrong. They were explaining Fibonacci retracement levels wrong. I've seen another where they were explaining about interest rates and the Federal Reserve and how that's going to have an impact on specific areas of the economy, and the way that they were explaining the things they were saying were also not true. So you really need to understand the background and the education of the people that you are getting your information from. Make sure that they're a real professional, that that the things that they say you can actually stand behind. That's first and foremost. Okay. The other reason why you guys, instead of just making a list of things on YouTube, the other things, are TTG is a platform. You guys have to understand this. And I keep trying to say this, but I feel like people don't really grasp what True Trading Group actually is. It's a platform that gives you access to tools and resources that professional traders use, like social sentiment scanners, option flow data, dark pool data, trading performance journals that track your trading to give you statistics and data on your own trading so you can see where you're making mistakes. Trade idea scanners, analyst ratings, insider buys and sells, real-time news feeds, full book level 2, so you can see all the market makers. Like, all of these things are included on your platform. These are the tools that professional traders have access to that otherwise would cost a retail trader $5,000 a year to get access to some of these tools and resources, but they're all on your platform, no additional cost, no additional fee. So that's, one of the reasons why you guys keep telling you about the TTG platform is really designed to help level the playing field for the retail trader. Yeah, sure, Grupo. I certainly can. Stick around for a little while. Today was a big one. Today was a big one. 77% gain today on SPY put options. Stick around, Grupo. We'll talk about it in just a moment. Can you break down the Amazon chart, please? Sure, it would be my pleasure to break down the Amazon chart for you guys. You have a very strong double top on Amazon right now. Amazon is caught in the crossfires of the tech sell-off. All right, Amazon is caught in the crossfire of the tech sell-off. So what's been happening, all right, for the last couple of days, all right, is that the tech sector, your NASDAQ, has been selling off more aggressively than other indexes, because specifically the 10-year treasury is rising at a faster rate than people would like it to see. And when you have increasing rates, that puts pressure on tech stocks and they tend to sell off. You saw major sell-offs on some of your crazy high volatile, high valuation names have really gotten beat up. These companies that trade at ridiculous earnings multiples and forward PEs, and just crazy valuations some of these companies trade at. They've been selling off very aggressively the last 3 days. Amazon is caught up in that. I actually think Amazon's going to come out of this, though, over the next couple of weeks, a winner, because I think Amazon's going to kick major ass into the holidays. But for the last couple of days, Amazon has gotten caught up in that sell-off in the overall markets and in the NASDAQ specifically because of your tech stocks. But you have a very clear double top that has been put in place here on Amazon. But I actually do like Amazon to break through this double top in the coming weeks and make a move to all-time highs with Black Friday, all right, Cyber Monday, holiday shopping. I'm looking for Amazon to perform very well, and I'm looking for Amazon to actually break out and make new highs. But for the time being, the rising 10-year is going up too fast. It's putting pressure on tech stocks, and that's why the last couple of days you've seen this little pullback here in the NASDAQ. I really want to join, but only have so much money, and I think I should wait till the new year. I start fresh thoughts. Listen, there is never a better time to get educated than right now. I feel like every single day that goes by that you sit on the sidelines and that you are not getting yourself educated, you're not prepared to take advantage of opportunities that present themselves in the market. And right now, there's tremendous opportunities in the market, literally on a daily basis. On a daily basis, either the overall market, large cap options, some of these smaller cap and mid cap names are just going crazy. You have these huge moves that are taking place on a daily basis, and you've got volatility starting to spike. Volatility is opening up. I told you guys yesterday on my live stream, I told you yesterday that if the markets are going to start to open up with the volatility that we're experiencing right now, it's something that I told you that I'm going to start to focus on trading the overall markets. That's exactly what happened today. Yesterday on the live stream, I talked about trading the SPY going forward because this volatility is going to open up, and we caught 77% gain today. Don't wait for this. Like, I don't want to hear like new year, new me. It's like, don't be one of those people that shows up to the gym on January 1st and they're gone by February 1st. Like, if you want to make a change, because I think next year is going to be insane. I think that Q1 and Q2 next year are going to be wild because you're going to have supply chain issues are going to have to be hopefully resolved. If not, that spells trouble. You have inflation is definitely running hotter than the Fed initially expected. They're going to have to maybe taper quicker than they initially were expecting, which means they might have to raise rates faster than they initially expected, which is going to open up a whole gigantic can of volatility. And volatility is a trader's best friend. And there's no better time to be a trader than what we've experienced. Honestly, ever since the COVID crash, there has never been a better time to be a trader. The volatility, the liquidity, the range, the action, the opportunity that's in the markets right now is insane. And aren't you just tired of hearing about like other people's success stories? It's time you write your own. It's like how many times you go on social media, whether it's, a live stream here and you see members talking about money that they made, or you go on Reddit or Twitter and you're like, oh, this person made $100,000 doing this or blah, blah. Like, aren't you sick of reading that? Listen, I'm not saying that it's normal for people to, oh, I'm just gonna start trading. I'll make $100,000. I'll make $1 million. No, that's not the norm, right? But it's certainly possible. It happens every day. It's certainly possible, and that's reality. Those are just facts. That's just the true potential opportunity in the markets. Of course, there's risk. Nothing worth doing doesn't carry risk. I mean, I'll tell you guys that right now. But I would just say, like, aren't you just tired of hearing other people's success stories? You guys are asking some pretty good questions, though. Keep them going. You said you have 17 years of experience, and what's your worst and best year in 17 years and why? Ooh. Man, that's a really good question. I would say my worst year was when I realized, so after 2008, 2009, 50% of all your hedge funds went out of business on Wall Street. And I think once I realized that it was not as easy to just get another job at a hedge fund like that after 08, 09, because, I was applying for positions with people that had 5 to 10 years more experience than I did, because literally the entire industry was cut in half. 50% of all your registered funds went out of business. So I think it was the hardest year was when I realized that I was not able. I thought I was going to be able to just go and pick things up at another place pretty quickly, but that was not the case. That really was not the case. I'd say that was probably my hardest year. Kind of that realization, because, and this is something I talk to a lot about members, and when they make the jump to trade full time, like when someone says, hey, I'm going to quit my job, I'm going to trade full time. I tell people that's the biggest mental hurdle that you're going to have to overcome as a trader. I've seen traders that have been successful and profitable for 3 consecutive years. They quit their job, trade full time. All of a sudden they struggle. Why? It's the added pressure. It's the mental game. It's a psychological aspect of it where you are It's one thing to trade when you have the safety net of a salary position, like, hey, no matter what, like if I put some money in a trading account, if I lose it, doesn't matter. I can still pay my bills. I can put food on the table. I can make my car payment, my insurance. Like I can still do all of these things, right? That's different. When you take that safety net away, it's a whole different ballgame. And I've seen traders before that will really struggle at that point when they don't have that safety net, which is why I tell like our members that are having success and when they want to trade full time. And there's a lot of TTG members that have made the jump to go and trade full time. A lot of you, maybe some of you that are on this live stream right now. Guys, if you trade full time with TTG, sound off in chat. Let me know. I'd love to see how many people we have here tonight that are members of True Trading Group that do trade full time. I'd love to know. You guys can maybe sound off in chat right now if you guys are trading full time now with True Trading Group. But aside from that, I tell people it's like when you're going to make that jump, when you're going to decide, hey, I'm going to do this full time, make sure that you're at least consistent profitable for over a year. Make sure you're doing it for over a year, over a year, because I say you're all typing the number one. You guys are all typing the number one. That's all. Okay. I didn't say type the number one. I'm just like sound over chat, but there's a lot of other things that I ask. I'm like, oh, type the number ones. Because everyone typing the number one, all these number ones, these are TTG members that now trade full time because of True Trading Group. Okay. So there you guys have it. You're seeing a bunch of members right there that do trade full time now. And it is, it's a beautiful thing. It's like the goal that everybody strives for, right? It's like, that's everyone's dream, to be their own boss, to, and have unlimited potential upside. Like I always make the example, my sister's an English teacher. She's a phenomenal English teacher. Her students love her. She's the best. She's amazing. But even if she was the best English teacher that this country has ever seen, she'll never make 500 grand a year. It'll never happen. It's just not possible. Okay. There's a limit to her upside. That's not the case when it comes to trading. Okay. But I'm getting a little off topic right now, but that's why that was probably one of the worst years, because all of a sudden that my thought process, and I struggled at that point. Like at that point, all of a sudden my trading struggled. I wasn't doing as well as I was previously because I thought to myself that whole time, I was like, okay, wait a second. This is just temporary. I'm going to go find another job. But then all of a sudden, once I realized that, wait, this is not temporary, I got to figure this stuff out on my own. Everything changed. And that was going to be the roughest, my worst year. My best year, it's now, man. It's now. This opportunity in the market. I'm telling you, I've been doing this. Okay. I've been doing this for, about 17 years. This is some of the best action that I have ever seen in the markets. It really, really, truly is. And the sell-off we experienced in March was the greatest wealth building opportunity of my lifetime. Prior to that, it was 08, 09, but I was in my early 20s in 08, 09 when that crash happened. I didn't have the money that I have now to really take advantage of the sell-off that we experienced, but you bet your ass I was in there buying with both hands and feet during March and April. So it's just an amazing opportunity. And between, True Trading Group and growing True Trading Group and building the business that is True Trading Group. And don't make a mistake, guys. True Trading Group is a business, right? But I am very lucky and I'm very blessed to say that I get to do what I love and what I'm going to do anyway. And at the same time, be able to help other people reach financial goals and improve their lives for them and their family. It's a beautiful thing. I consider myself very blessed, and I wake up every day and don't feel like I'm going to work. And there's not many people in this world that can say that. All right, maybe I'll take like maybe one more question, maybe, guys, and we'll start to dive in. Robert Howard goes, for my notes, is boom a technical term that I need to know? Thanks, Adam, Mike, and True Trading Group. That's awesome. Yeah, boom is I don't know how it got started. I really don't. I don't know when it started. But in True Trading Group, when we have a big win, I say boom. I don't know. It's just like, it's fun. We have a lot of fun in chat. You guys have to realize, like, the TTG community, we really do have a lot of fun, man. We have such an amazing group of people, not just the moderators, but members themselves. I genuinely have fun. I don't know about you guys. You guys have fun in chat during the day? Like, do you guys have fun? Like, I have a lot of fun. Like, obviously, it's way more fun when we're killing it and we're making money. But it's like I just have fun. I just have fun with our group. You guys are amazing. I love you guys all. I love you guys all. But listen, I want to know who here is not a member, though, because you guys obviously don't have any idea how much fun we have in chat if you're not a member. Do me a favor, guys, if you're not a member of True Trading Group, or maybe this is your first time ever viewing a TTG live stream, type the number 1 in chat right now if you are not a member, or maybe this is your first live stream. All right, we got Oscar Suarez, Hammer Time, Charles Wilkinson, Chris Carmichael, Nate GW, Eric Espinola. One Cosmic Guy just joined yesterday. Welcome to the family. Arif Babwani, Hisham Adam, Dre, Bearded Discipline, Bearded Disciple, sorry. Kamal Korala, Maria Youngman, One Way Gaming, Mabubar. Beautiful, guys. I love it. A lot of number ones that are coming through here. You guys have no idea how fortunate you are to be right here, right now, but you'll soon understand once we get into some of the educational stuff of these live streams. But first, I told you guys I would tell you a little bit about the membership for those that are interested with the Black Friday offer that we have going on right now. So let me share that with you, and then we will dive into the overall markets. We're going to talk about the SPY trade today. We're going to talk about options. We're going to talk about the overall markets. We've got a lot to go over here tonight. All right. But I told you before, True Trading Group is about results. Results matter. And because they matter, I'll share something with you. Result. Like at the end of the day, result is defined really as an effect, a consequence, or an outcome of something, right? That's what a result is. And statistically, and these are just facts that we share with you. We survey all of our members in True Trading Group. We're very up to date with the successes and failures of the TTG family. And it is a statistical fact that by joining True Trading Group, putting in some effort, taking the courses, passing the quizzes, using the tools that are available, joining free study groups, attending the workshops, that you statistically, guys, have a very good chance of making money and, more importantly, becoming a better trader. And if anyone does not believe me, I want you to all just watch this. Instead of just listening to me, just watch this. Guys, my TTG fam, very plain and simple. If you are making money and becoming a better trader, I want you to type the number 1 in chat right now. Type the number 1 in chat if you're a member of True Trading Group and you're making money and you're becoming a better trader. Now, anyone that's not a member, I want you to just look right here. I want you to pay very close attention to the amount of number 1s that are going to come through this side of the screen right here. These number 1s are what results look like. These are TTG members that are making money and they're becoming better traders because of the TTG platform that they are utilizing. There is no difference between these people and you. Okay, everyone that's not a member that said that they're new here, all these people that are typing number 1, they found True Trading Group the same way you did, and that's a live stream. If they can do it, so can you. Okay. Another example of a result would be, and these are just statistical facts. Okay. By trying to do this on your own, you actually have over a 90% chance of failing at this. These are the facts. Now, I'm not saying that True Trading Group is the only way to do this, because it's not. But what I am saying is that it's one I've found the best options for everyone of all skill levels from all walks of life to give yourself the best chance to learn, trade, and profit. We help people reach their goals of consistent profitability by combining top-notch education with premium tools and resources from companies like TradingView, Benzinga, Quote Media, Trade Ideas, and more. And we're a community where we all share the same goal, and that's to learn, trade, and profit together. We really, truly care about one another's success. Now, guys, stay right where you are, because in literally less than 7 minutes, I'm going to be covering exactly what happened in the overall markets today. We're going to recap a monster 77% gain on SPY put options. And I'll tell you guys how I plan on making money with the volatility that is yet to come. We have a short week this week. You've only got a day and a half left to make it count. All right. You got Thanksgiving coming up on Thursday. The markets are closed. All right. So we got a short week. We're going to make it count. We've had a huge start to the week. Okay. Huge start to the week. We're going to make this count. All right. So I'll tell you guys what I think the market's going to do the rest of the week, how I plan on making money from it. But first, everyone that typed the number 1 in chat that said you're not a member, pay attention to me right now, please, because I have lied to everyone on these live streams. Yes, we have said before that there will be no Black Friday sale, no Thanksgiving sale, but in a way we do mean it because the price of the TTG membership is not getting cheaper. Okay, but there is what we will be doing from now until the price is not getting cheaper, but here's what we're going to be doing from now until Sunday, November 28th at midnight. Okay, listen to me very carefully. The membership at True Trading Group has actually been going up every day as we walk the price of our membership to $2,500 for the year, February 1st. Don't freak out. We're not at $2,500 yet. It's our goal at True Trading Group to level the playing field for the retail trader. And that means a continued effort from us to ensure that the platform is within reach financially for retail traders from all walks of life. And because of that, we're slowly walking the price of the membership up until we get to $2,500. So you guys could have joined a few weeks ago, actually, and paid just $1,106 for the full year. So here's what we're doing. From now until midnight, Sunday, the 28th, we will have our Black Friday sale, which means you can get a TTG annual membership for a 44% discount. The regular price is $2,212. That means you will only pay $1,230 with this Black Friday sale. You're also going to get 2 free small private mentor study group sessions with the TTG Pro Trader to get individualized attention, ask questions, and get some help to speed up the learning curve. You're also going to have the opportunity to earn a brand new free laptop. Okay. Upon becoming TTG certified, we will send you a free laptop to trade with. What does that mean? Becoming TTG certified is a badge of honor for our members. They wear it proud. You get a certificate, you print it out, hang it on your wall, put it on your desk, share it on social media. It means that you have completed all of the courses in the TTG curriculum and you've passed the quizzes at the end of each. This is a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned when I worked at the hedge fund. I had to sit through a 3-month educational training program before they let me touch a dollar of their real money. Okay, you're getting that education. When you become TTG certified, it's a badge of honor. You also get a green check mark next to your username that lets other people know that you, in fact, are now TTG certified. And you've gone through the curriculum. Your opinion now carries more weight. Okay, so again, after becoming TTG certified, we'll send you a brand new free laptop that you guys can trade with. We even cover the shipping costs. We ship anywhere in the world. But now here's the real kicker. This is how True Trading Group does Black Friday. Because what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to say, oh, hey, 60% discount, sign up for, $1,000, $850 for Black Friday. I'm not going to say that. What I am going to say to you, though, is this. Everyone that joins during this Black Friday sale, which is available until the 28th at midnight on Sunday, you will get a complete full money back guarantee plus an additional $770 back on top, which means you sign up right now for $1,230. And at the end of your membership, if you have not made back your membership fee at least once after going through the courses, passing the quizzes, and attending one study group, I'm going to give you back $2,000. That's how we do Black Friday sales. This is only part of the Black Friday sale. Okay. I said this yesterday. We made this announcement yesterday. I told you there was 100 spots available for this Black Friday sale, and then we're cutting it off. We are now down to 75 spots for this Black Friday sale. 25 people have already decided to invest in themselves and get themselves an actual education with that money back guarantee. So let me be very clear. Everything I'm telling you is on the website. You're getting exactly what I'm saying to you here. So if you join True Trading Group tonight with the coupon code TTG121, use that coupon code at checkout. You'll actually click apply code. If you do not make $1,230 back at least once after going through all of our courses, passing our quizzes, and attending one private study group, that's all I'm asking for you. I'm asking for a little bit of effort. If you don't make $1,230 back after doing those things, I'm going to give you back $2,000. That's over a 60% return on your investment. There's no one on this live stream that if I said to you, put $1,230 into this stock today, and within a year, it'll be worth $2,000. Not one of you would turn that opportunity down. But I am so confident in our program at True Trading Group and the community and the platform that we have created and our ability to help you become successful that I am willing to offer you this money back guarantee, which is something that you will never see anybody else do because nobody is as confident in their ability to help you succeed as we are. I told you results matter at True Trading Group. This is how I prove it to you. If you fail after committing to True Trading Group, we are going to lose money. And I think that's a fair trade-off. You're investing your hard-earned cash into us, and you're looking for us to help you become successful and to help you get educated. If you commit to us, I'm going to commit to you. We're in this game together, folks. When I say welcome to the TTG family, I damn well mean welcome to the TTG family. You're not just another number at True Trading Group. We all literally help each other succeed and become better, including members help me become better and I help them become better. That's what being part of a group is all about. Otherwise, what's the point? You just have to use TTG 121 coupon code. Okay, but now here's the catch. Because after Sunday at midnight, the price of the TTG membership is actually going to continue to jump. So right now it's $12.30. After Sunday at midnight, the price will be $1,350 as we continue to move the price up until we get to $2,500 on February 1st. This is only until November 28th at midnight, or until we reach the 100-person mark. We started with 100, we have 75 left. Okay, once we get to 100 people, or we get to Sunday, the sale is over. So we might not even get until Sunday. I'm not sure. Maybe by Friday, maybe we 75 people. Maybe by Saturday, I'm not sure. We had 100 yesterday. We're now down to 75. All right. So again, TTG 121 coupon code, guys. You'll get that 44% discount. You'll pay $12.30. You get the 2 small private study group sessions with a pro trader. You'll get the chance to earn the brand new free laptop, and you get that money back guaranteed plus the $770. So you pay $12.30. I give you back $2,000. All right. That process of becoming TTG certified, it normally takes about 4 to 6 weeks. I've seen it done a lot faster. It all depends on how much time you put towards it. The curriculum is available 24/7. It goes at your own pace around your schedule. So no matter how much time you have or don't have, if you want it bad enough, folks, there's no excuse. If there's anyone here that actually doesn't think we send out free laptops, I assure you we actually do. To prove it to you, my TTG fam, do we actually give out free laptops? Yes or no? My TTG fam, do we actually give away free laptops? I'll let you guys just comment yes or no. All right. So you guys can, anyone that doubts that we actually give out free laptops, you can just read some of the comments that are coming through chat right now. All right. So listen, now that that's settled, let's talk about what you get with the membership so you guys understand fully what's on the TTG platform. And then we're going to talk about the overall markets. We're going to talk about the 77% gain today. And we're going to talk about how I plan on making money for the rest of the week. Think of TTG as the Netflix of trading communities because you pay one price. You get access to the core of everything that we have. You get our entire 17-course curriculum. There's no upsells for these courses, guys. You get access to every single course. There's no pro or VIP courses that cost you more money. You get access to every course when you join. This is a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned that I worked in the fund. You're also going to get our trading performance journal, which tracks your trades, gives you stats and data so we can figure out where you're making mistakes. Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed directly inside of our chat. So you get news as soon as it crosses the wire, no delay. Quote Media's full book level 2 shows you all the market makers, not just the ones your broker shows you. TradingView's premium charting software, one of the most commonly used charting softwares that traders use. ETNA's trade simulator. This lets you trade stocks and options with fake money with real-time data so you can practice implementing what you're learning in the courses. You also get Trade Ideas Scanner, stocks that are making new highs, new lows, that have a surge in volume. It's broken up into small caps, mid caps, large caps. Then, of course, you have the TTG chat room with all of the alerts from a group of professional traders that is currently sporting collectively over an 80% win rate. We are fully transparent. We keep a trading journal on our website that tracks every buy and sell that all of our moderators make. Then we also have live workshops and webinars that we conduct every single week, covering a variety of different topics. We just added real-time options flow and dark pool data on the TTG platform. I'm super excited about. And then, of course, you get those 2 small private study group sessions, okay, when you guys become a member of True Trading Group, and that's to help get some individualized attention to go over the, some questions and topics you're struggling with so we can speed up that learning curve. All right. And so much more. I'll show you the platform later. We still have a lot to get into tonight. So again, guys, there's only 75 spots left. TTG 121 coupon code. You get the 44% discount, a chance to earn the free laptop, 2 small private study groups, the money back guarantee, plus $770 on top. You just have to enter coupon code TTG121. There's only 75 spots left. Okay? Remember, everything I'm telling you, it's on the website. So you know you're getting everything I'm saying here. Okay? Cool. Now, let's get down to business. Let's pull up my charts. Okay. All right, guys, listen up. Yesterday, we had a wild day in the markets, a very choppy. The markets went to all-time highs yesterday and then sold off hard at the end of the day. There was a couple of reasons for the sell-off yesterday. Reason number one for sell-off number one was a quick spike in the 10-year treasury that took tech stocks down, which took the overall markets down. Then you had a second sell-off at the end of the day, which I still believe that this was based on whispers and rumors of a possible lockdown in Germany for COVID. Right? Germany has yet to make such announcement, but it was some whispers that I was hearing as to the reason for that's end of the day sell-off in the overall markets. All right. This action that we saw yesterday was actually very bearish action in the overall market. And I told people yesterday that I thought we got a little more downside today. Now, very specifically, today's trade, and I was extremely specific today when I had said this to our members. Pre-market, guys, I go over a game plan with all of our members. So I'm on the microphone pre-market, as are the other moderators in True Trading Group, and we go over our ideas for the day. So we tell you what are our best trade ideas for the day, where I'm going to buy, where I'm going to sell, what stocks I'm watching, why, where's support, where's resistance. We go over that all pre-market in our pre-market trading game plan. This morning, I was very specific with members, and I said there are 2 levels that we need to pay attention to, because the SPY was in the middle of these 2 levels. And I said, once one of those levels is broken, that is when I believe we're going to get true direction. And I'm going to draw these levels out for you guys now. Okay, drawing these levels out for you guys now. So here are these 2 lines. Okay, so here are these 2 lines. Okay, here are these 2 lines. I told you guys yesterday, after the sell-off that we experienced yesterday, that I thought this was going to open things up for the overall market. And I thought that the markets were going to start to have bigger range. Now, when the SPY and the NASDAQ and the Dow, when we open up and things get volatile, it's some of the best trading action that there is. Everybody welcome Landon, Cherry, and Jesse. Landon, Cherry, and Jesse, welcome to the True Trading Group family. Folks, there are now only 72 of those spots left for that Black Friday sale, where you're going to pay $12.30 to sign up. If you fail, I'm giving you $2,000 back. 72 spots left. All right, 72 spots left. I told you guys, I stand behind my program. I put my money where my mouth is. Results matter. And this is how I prove it to you, folks. 72 spots left. Just use TTG121 coupon code. All right. So the action that you saw in the markets yesterday, that was a sign to me that we've got volatility. That was a sign to me that there's going to be action in the markets. I actually have a quick 1-minute clip. Okay. We have a quick little clip from last night's live stream where I spoke to you specifically about the SPY. I actually went on like a 20-minute discussion about the SPY yesterday, about COVID, about the markets. I went on this whole big thing. I would suggest you can watch the live stream from last night if you guys haven't, when we're finished here. But I grabbed a quick little clip from last night's live stream where I talked specifically about the SPY and how I plan on making money from it. Let's go ahead and let's play that video clip from last night, guys. So whether you agree with it or not, you got to understand, how can I make money from it? That is what being an active trader is all about. That's what being a part of True Trading Group is all about, because that's where I'm going to be. That's where my focus is. I don't care about political stances or anything like that. I don't care what your views are, what your policies are. I don't care. I don't care. All I care about is how is this going to affect the overall markets and how can I make money from that? That's all I care about. And I'm telling you guys this right now. If the market's going to open up and shake up like this, I'm going to start trading the SPY almost on a daily basis. It's very, very possible you can see me come back on this live stream tomorrow and say I traded SPY options and we ripped out a 30 or 40% gain. Very possible you can see that happen tomorrow. That's from last night's live stream. Okay? That was last night's live stream. Okay? Welcome. Carmencita. Welcome home. Welcome home, Carmencita. Guys, Carmencita was once a previous member of True Trading Group, left True Trading Group, I guess tested the waters somewhere else, and then was realized that TTG is home. And then now Carmencita is back as a member of the TTG family. Carmencita, welcome back. We miss you, but welcome back. I'm glad to have you back at home. Glad to have you back at home. All right. All right. So back to the video clip. Back to the video clip, right? So you heard me say yesterday, the action that we got yesterday, I told you it's going to shake things up a little bit. And if the markets get shaken up a little bit and we get some volatility and the range starts to increase, I'm going to be looking at trading the SPY. All right. I'm going to be looking at trading the SPY. That's exactly what we did today. 77% gain, guys. You heard me say there on the live stream, that was last night, that there's a very good chance I'm going to come on tomorrow, meaning today, right now, live with you, and say 30, 40% gain we ripped out on SPY options. Well, we did one better, 77% gain on the top take profit on the SPY option trade today. Let's talk about it now, because pre-market, we were discussing these two levels, right? 468.50 to 469. Everybody welcome Robin. There's now 70 spots left. Everybody welcome Robin. Welcome to the team, Robin. Welcome to the fam. So right now, guys, what I'm doing is I'm showing you and I'm identifying to you the previous support level that we had at 468.50. Right? There's your previous support at 468.50 to 469. There it is. Okay. So pre-market, I identified this level as being resistance. Then I also went and I identified this level. Now, what's this? This is 466 and change, because this is another level of support. Everyone welcome Louise. Louise, welcome. 69 of those spots are now available.
How many spots are available?
70 minus 1.
How many spots left? What is that number?
I think there's 68 plus 1 left.
No. How many? What is the number though?
It's I think 60. 50.
Guys, can you guys type in chat real quick how many spots are left, please?
Guys, 69 spots available. Adam is not 37 years old, apparently. He's 13.
I have kids.
He's 13.
I have children.
Your children don't know what 69 is.
No, they don't.
Okay? They're like 8. Stop.
Are you insane?
All right, can I get back to making money, please? All right. Okay, guys. So here are the levels that I was pointing out to our members pre-market. Remember, pre-market, the game plan, we go over this on a daily basis. So we talked about these levels, support, resistance. We went over this. Okay, we went over this. So I told everybody that until these levels get broken, I'm going to wait. But once one of these levels breaks, that's going to be my indication. That's going to be my confirmation in direction. Because I said if the markets get over 468.50, 469, I think we move higher. If we get below 466.50, I think we move down lower. Then those are your pivot points. You guys have to understand and start to learn where these pivot points lie, how to identify them. You learn that as a member of True Trading Group, because that's how you catch direction. That's how you catch direction. Manny, welcome to the TTG family. 68 spots left. 68 spots left now, guys. TTG121 coupon code, 44% discount, 2 private study groups with a pro trader, a chance to earn a free laptop, and then a money-back guarantee where if you go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend one study group, and do not make your membership fee back at least once, not only am I going to give you $1,230 back in full, I'm going to give you an extra $770 on top to make it an even $2,000 back in your pocket if my program fails you. That is how we do Black Friday sales. That is how confident I am in our ability to help you succeed. Call me crazy. I'm not. The fact is that since 2017, our refund rate at True Trading Group is 1.7%. That's why I'm not crazy. You guys see what I have to deal with? See what I have to deal with? I'm telling you, that is a velociraptor. That's what a velociraptor would look like if it was a human being. That guy.
I wish there was a way to put the charts to superimpose them right on the ShamWow.
That would be a lot of fun.
Be pretty sick.
You know what's even more fun than that?
What?
Me explaining the trade to people on the YouTube channel. All right. So here we go. All right. So here are the levels that we were talking about. Okay. Here's the levels that we were talking about. Now, what you'll notice right off the open, we tested the support level and got a very nice bounce off of that level right into where? Our resistance level. Guys, you can't make this stuff up. This is exactly what we had talked about. These were the two levels that we identified pre-market. You can see them here. Look, right? Look at the support level. Okay, there's your support level. And there was your prior support, which now you look for to become resistance once you get beneath it. And that becomes a resistance. And then we had a very heavy rejection off of it. Look at the heavy rejection off of that resistance level. Okay, that resistance, that rejection off of that resistance level set up, which for us is a triggering setup that you guys will learn as a member of True Trading Group called a trade line VWAP crossover. Okay, a trade line VWAP crossover. And in this situation, it was a bearish signal for us. There are also bullish trade line VWAP crossovers. In this case, it was bearish, where the trade line, which is this blue line on your screen, this 9 exponential moving average, crossed underneath VWAP. And you'll see VWAP, which is this orange line on your screen, then combines with the trade line, and the trade line starts to act as an area of resistance. Okay, you guys see this? See that blue line? Right? You guys see that blue line? This is what I'm referring to. See how this baby blue line just starts to act as an area of resistance for us once it crossed underneath the orange line? See how once it crossed underneath, then it becomes resistance? This is one of the patterns that you'll learn as a member of True Trading Group. So what did we do? Right there is where I stepped in and I went ahead and I bought put options on the SPY right there, right in front of VWAP. After we got a heavy rejection off of that resistance level, the trade line came into play. And at that moment, we went ahead and jumped in the 466 strike November 26th expiration put option at $1.89. Okay, $1.89. And then we dropped beneath the support level. Remember the support level we talked about, 466.50. We dropped beneath it. And then what happened? Look at this. How perfect is this? Would you get a load of this? Look at this, guys. Okay. So you'll see now multiple things start to happen here. The trade line continues to act as an area of resistance. We break beneath the previous support level. Remember 466.50. Okay. 466.50. Here's all that support. I told everybody pre-market, if we break below that level, we've got room to the downside. We broke beneath it. Resistance, trade line, resistance, 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 trade line, resistance, resistance, and then bang. Okay, we get this nice follow-through extension move to the downside, and we are just ripping profits off all along the way. Just ripping profits off all along the way here, guys, on this trade. Okay, literally as this thing just continued to fall out of bed, we just continue taking profits off the table. I'll read out those take profit alerts for you guys. I'll read them out to you here. Let me just find my alerts. I was actually pretty active today. Okay, so there's the entry at 189 at 10:20 a.m. And then our first take profit came off the table at 2:20. The next take profit came off the table at 244, 279, and then 334. Right down here, guys, $3.34. $3.34, guys, for a 77% gain on those SPY put options. Was an absolute beast of a trade. So congratulations, guys. If you made money on this SPY trade with us today, if you guys made money on the SPY trade with me today in chat, guys, go ahead right now, sound off in chat. Tell me how you did. I'd love to know how you did. If you made money today, I want to know about it. Sound off. Tell me how you guys did. You know, I love to hear about your guys' successes. I really, really do. Tell me how you did, guys. Way to go, Don. Don nailed 66%. Lawful nailed 23%. 42% for Bubba. What's up, my man? 71% for Stan Stinson. Great job. 71% gain on his final take profit, and overall 43% gain on that trade for Stan. Great job. Lori ripped out 1,700%. 40% for my boy Smoke. What's up, my man? Habibi Sauce. Fire with 126% gain. Yo, Habibi Sauce. Low key, bro, you're having a pretty serious month. Congratulations, man, on a big month for Habibi Sauce, my boy. We got Zap Mickey, 60% gain. Determined, 65%. My boy Spiro Trader, what's good? 64% gain. Soccer Mom coming in with the $200 profit. Jose, my boy, nailed a 983% profit. Reed, 56%, $900 for Dale. I love this. Billy Brown ripped $150 right before a meeting. Right before a meeting at work, he's like, boss, I'm busy. I'll be right there. $1,200 for Ty. 23% for Mike. Come on, your username is Mike's Watch. Come on, man. Oh, that's a good username, though. Dan made 72%. Will be set spikes, 87%. Crizzles, what's up, man? Crizzles, I just had a one-on-one with Crizzles a few weeks ago. 70% gain. Oh, I love it. I love it. Look, I can keep going, guys, but listen, you guys can read them. I don't need to continue going through. I need to continue reading them all. But you guys get the point. You guys get the gist. But that is how you guys can understand and use pivot points and support and resistance levels to identify trade opportunities. That's the key, right? We go over these game plans pre-market. Pre-market before every single trading day. I come on the microphone and say, guys, this is what I'm looking at. This is my game plan. This is my number one trade idea on the day. I'm looking to do this, this, and this. That's exactly what happened today in the SPY. It's easier when you have a game plan, because when you have a game plan, you just follow what the plan is. It makes trading so much easier. Like if you say to yourself, you're like, okay, if the SPY can't get over 469 and then it pulls back down and buy put options, if we break below 466, we should move down lower. When the rejection happens, You buy the puts and you literally let the trade game plan work itself out. If the trade game plan works itself out, it's easier just to sit back and trade without emotion. I tell people all the time, one of the easiest, because people say, well, Mike, how do you trade without emotion? It's not easy, and we're human beings. We have emotions. It's tough. It's tough to not trade with emotions, but the best traders all have that same thing in common, is that they're able to control their emotions when they're in a trade. And if you're not able to, you're going to have a hard time succeeding. But one of the best ways to control your emotions is actually to have a game plan. Because if you don't have a game plan, if you just get yourself into a position and you don't know where you're going to take profit, you don't know where you're going to stop out, all you have is emotions to make your decisions. Stock goes up, yay, stock goes down, all you have is emotions to make your decisions. You're going to fail that way. When you trade with emotions, you make mistakes. When you make mistakes, you lose money. So one of the easiest ways to remove emotions is, before you enter a trade, have a plan. Buy here, stop out here, take profits here, here, here. That's your plan. And then when you actually enter the trade, do nothing other than the plan. There's no emotion involved in that. If you buy a stock at 10, you say my stop loss is $9.50. I'm going to take profit $10.75, $11.25, and $12. That's your game plan. Just do that. If it gets to $9.40, stop out. If it gets to $10.75, sell a piece of your position. It gets to $11.25, sell another piece. It gets to $12, sell the rest. Do nothing else other than that. You all could do that. You all could follow direction. It's when the emotions start to come into play where you start to make mistakes. So I tell people, one of the easiest ways to control your emotions is to have a game plan and then just stick to it. That's exactly what we did today in the SPY. Emotionless trade, beautiful, 77% gain on that top take profit was a thing of beauty. So congratulations, my TTG family. All of you that hit this trade. I know there were a couple of people that also hit with Chris Toner. Chris Toner, who is one of the other professional traders that's inside of True Trading Group. Chris Toner caught a monster of a trade as well. He bought the UVXY, which is the ETF that tracks the VIX. He bought the $16.50 call option that expires on November 26th. It's basically the same exact trade that I made, just with a different vehicle. He used the UVXY. I used the SPY. He bought those options at 55 cents. And I actually, where did he sell out? 80 cents, 80 cents and 70 cents. So from 55 cents to 70 cents and 80 cents. Do the math on that. Do the percentage gain on that. He sold half his position at 70 cents and then the other half at 80 cents from the 55-cent entry on that option. So we were hitting this thing from all angles today in chat. It was the number one trade idea on the day, and we absolutely crushed it today. So congratulations, my TTG fam. Okay? Congrats, guys. Now let's talk about what I think the market's going to do going forward. Let's talk about what happened today. Disregard this tail. This tail is not actually a real tail. Now, what I'm actually looking for from the markets now the next couple of days is actually a bit of a bounce back and recovery. And I'm looking for the SPY to get back over 470 in the next couple of days, as long as Germany doesn't do anything. As long as there is no more lockdowns in Europe, and as long as it ends with Austria, I think the markets can move higher. We just need the 10-year to chill out. The 10-year has spiked pretty sharply. We went from like 154 to 167, 168. That's a big jump in a short period of time. It's not the fact that we're at 165, 166. That's not the problem. It's the speed of the increase that's the problem. The markets could handle a 1.68% yield on the 10-year treasury, no problem. It's the speed of the increase. Okay, it's not the destination. The 1.67, 1.68 is actually okay. It's the speed of the increase that shook tech up. And if you get a day tomorrow where maybe the 10-year pulls back to 163, 164, and just sits there, I think the markets bounce tomorrow as long as there's no COVID news. Okay, we got to make sure there's no COVID news. Okay, so as long as we have nothing going on with Germany and no more lockdowns or nothing like that, we'll be just fine. Okay, so I actually think the market's going to bounce back today. I think the markets did a great job of dip buyers coming in today into the markets. You know, I feel like today had the chance to get ugly. You know, today had the chance for the markets to really accelerate to the downside and go down and test, you know, some other key support levels around 462. You also have another key support level around 463.80, which you guys can see right here. I'll just draw this out for you all on the chart. There are your next, oops, you guys don't see my screen. Sorry about that. Here's my screen. Okay, so here's your other support level. So we had a chance to really go down and test these levels today. And people came in and we bought this dip and we actually finished the day on a high note. We finished the day with a nice little bounce back, nice recovery. And the SPY actually finished green on the day after tech got really beaten up. We actually finished green on the SPY. So as long as the 10-year takes a chill pill, there's no more progression or with COVID and any more lockdowns, I think the markets can actually continue to bounce higher going into the holiday. All right. So remember, markets close on Thursday, guys. So we got to make this one count. Remember, you guys have also, have that that Black Friday sale that you guys all have to take advantage of. Okay. So listen, guys, let me see who's here. Who here is still on the live stream? Who's still on the live stream that is not a member of True Trading Group? Type the letters TTG in chat right now if you're not a member. I want to see who's still here with us. Just type TTG in chat, guys. Okay, we've got Frank Todd, One Away Gaming, Hammer Time, Jai, Bill Lodge, Arthur, Coding Now, Be Smooth, Jason R, Dirty Cuban, Ricardo Pitts, Babic. Great. Guys, awesome. All of you that are typing TTG, I just want to remind you guys that we have a massive Black Friday sale going on. If you are a member of True Trading Group now, so those people are not members. If you are a member, if any of you missed it today, we have a massive Black Friday sale going on for STR and for early renewals. Unfortunately, we are sorry we can't offer a big discount for the lifetime membership at this time. I'm sorry, guys. We have tried, but we are able to offer a major discount for STR, Sniper Trading Robot, the add-on for you guys, and then an early renewal. This now I'm speaking to members themselves. If you missed this today in chat and you're a member, hit up Adam tomorrow. You can send him a message in chat. You can text him, or you guys can send an email to info@truetradinggroup.com. All right, if you guys missed it. Now, for everyone that typed TTG, listen up right now, because the time to get educated is right now. The time to start learning and making money on your own is right now. Waiting for New Year's or after the holidays is an excuse. All right. You're no different than those people that flood the gym on January 1st or gone by February 1st. If you want to learn how to achieve financial freedom and peace of mind from trading stocks, TTG membership is the very best gift that you can give yourself and your family for the holidays. The price is normally $2,212, but from now until midnight on Sunday the 28th, you can save 44%. It brings the price all the way down to $1,230. Everybody welcome Jeff. Jeff, the newest member of the TTG family, 67 of those laptops left. 67 of those laptops left. All right, guys, real quick, I have a question from Hammer Time. Okay, a question from Hammer Time. Hammer Time says, and this is a very fair question. Hammer Time says, I'm part of another chat room. What makes you guys different? Now, Hammer Time, I'll give you an answer, but I'm also going to have members themselves answer for you as well. Members, TTG members, if you have been a part of another trading community, another group, another service, and you are now part of True Trading Group, I want you guys to sound off in chat right now and answer Hammer Time's question for him. Okay? If you're a member of True Trading Group now and you've been a part of other groups and services in the past, I want you to sound off in chat right now on what makes us different from the groups and services that you have previously been a part of. What makes you say that this True Trading Group is my home versus the other groups that you've been a part of? Now, Hammer Time, I would encourage you to read some of the comments that are coming through chat, because these are members themselves answering the question for you that have been a part of other communities and other groups. And I got to be honest with you, Hammer Time, I can tell you why we're different, but it doesn't mean as much coming from me as it does coming from someone who has literally been a part of another trading community themselves, or maybe several, and are now part of the TTG family. Okay, so I would say read some of the comments that are coming through chat here right now, but there is no other group or service out there that has the tools and resources that are available on the platform. Remember, Hammer Time, we are not just a chat room. We are a platform that gives you tools and resources that professional traders use on a daily basis, and we all include it on your platform for no additional cost whatsoever. All right. So you guys can read some of the comments that are flying through chat right now. You know, I would just suggest that you read some of those comments. Okay. Now, like I was saying, you guys can get the 44% discount. You'll pay just $1,230. You also have the opportunity to earn a brand new free laptop, and you will also get 2 small private mentor study group sessions with a pro trader. And then you have the money back guarantee. Remember, guys, the Black Friday sale, if you join True Trading Group and pay $1,230 tonight, that's how this works. You pay $1,230 tonight, which keep on code TTG121. If you go through the courses, pass the quizzes, and attend one study group, if you do not make the $1,230 back at least once during your membership, I'm going to give you $2,000 back. That's how we do Black Friday sales. That's over a 60% return on your investment. You give us $1,230 now. If you fail, we give you back $2,000. There are only 67 spots left for that sale. It's our Black Friday sale. It's valid until Sunday at midnight or the next 67 spots. We started with 100 yesterday. Now we're down to 67. When that 67 gets to 0, I don't care if that happens tomorrow, there will be no more Black Friday sale. Okay, so it's the next 67 people to use that coupon code. Now, I told you I would show you the platform. Let me show you the platform. Let me show you what you guys get in your membership. Okay, because you're going to get our trading performance journal, which is one of the most, just an amazing tool. This thing actually tracks your stock, option, crypto, and futures trades, gives you hard data and real statistics on your trading, so we can figure out and track and see where you're making mistakes and where you're going wrong. You also get Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, which gives you live breaking up to the second news alerts directly inside of our chat room. Quote Streams full book level 2. All the market makers, not just the ones your broker shows you. ETNA's trade simulator. Let you trade stocks and options with fake money while you practice trading with what you're learning in the courses. That's the same simulator that's used at Cal State University Fullerton, University of Wisconsin Whitewater, Berkeley Haas, and Illinois Tech. Then you have the Trade Idea Scanner. Our Trade Idea Scanner shows you what stocks are making new highs, new lows, have a surge in volume. They're broken up into small cap, mid cap, large cap. So no matter what you trade, we make sure you're focused on the hottest stocks during the day. We just added real-time options flow and dark pool data to the TTG platform as well. This is something that used to only be available to institutions and professionals, now at the fingertips of our TTG family. You also get access to our own proprietary scanner, which has the same functionality as FinViz Elite, but even better, because you can actually click on any one of the stocks that's on our scanner and get unlimited downloadable PDF reports to see how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating on the stock. Wouldn't it be nice before you buy a stock to see how many analysts agree with you that it is in fact a buy? This can really help making your trading and investing decisions, guys. Not to mention our social sentiment scanner. Another thing used to only be available to hedge funds with complex algorithms. Not anymore. Now it's at the fingers of the retail trader thanks to True Trading's platform. This scanner will scour Reddit, Stock Twits, and Twitter and tell you what stocks are being mentioned the most. This can really help you guys get ahead of those short squeezes, get ahead of those big moves, because you know what millions of people are talking about. Then you have TradingView's Pro Plus charting software. It's one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders. This is all free with your membership, guys. You do not pay $1 extra for any of this stuff. No upsells for this. It is all included when you pay $12.30 by using the coupon code TTG121. This is what makes the TTG platform different. You're also getting at least a minimum of 10 easy-to-follow, actionable, real-time trade alerts per week from a community of professional traders that is collectively sporting well over an 80% win rate. We're fully transparent. We keep a trading journal on our website that tracks every buy and sell that all of our moderators make. Then you have those 2 small private study group sessions, your chance to get individual attention from a TTG Pro. Then you have the 17-course curriculum. Guys, the courses are a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned when I worked at the fund in New York. Beginner and foundation courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it, we've got it. All in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. In addition to the courses, you also have our our video library, which has workshops and webinars that we've conducted with members covering different topics like how to trade while working a full-time job, how to resist FOMO, how to grow a small account. You have access to all of this at no additional cost whatsoever. There are no upsells for this platform. Okay. You get these tools, these resources, these courses, all with your annual membership. And then, of course, access to the chat room where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the microphone. We're calling out trades in advance, providing you guys market commentary. We're there with you from pre-market till after hours, all day, every day. You can also send us DMs and ask us questions during the day. Guys, take advantage of this. Take advantage of this coupon code. I'm telling you guys this right now. You're never going to find a better deal than this. The value you get at $12.30 is insane because let me put this in perspective for you. On February 1st, our membership is going to be $2,500. All right. So you can join right now for $12.30. A couple of weeks ago, it was $11.06. By Monday, it'll be $13.50. To put things into perspective, that Benzinga news feed with the Squawk box feature, so you guys can get real-time news. If you wanted that and you went to Benzinga, it would cost you $1,404. You can get that news feed when you join True Trading Group, as well as everything else I just showed you for just $1,230. Not to mention a money-back guarantee, where if you don't make your $1,230 back at least once after going through the courses, passing the quizzes, and attending a study group, I'm going to give you $2,000 back. Our goal is to disrupt this industry, folks. To do that, we got to provide insane value and results at a price substantially less than any of our so-called competitors. We're also 5-star rated on Trustpilot. I welcome, encourage, and invite you all to go read those reviews. 1,400 people have taken time out of their day to leave us a review on Trustpilot. Go read them. Read them all. Read the good, the bad, the ugly. I don't care. Read them all. There's no better referral than one from your peers. You just have to use TTG121 coupon code. There are 67 spots left for that Black Friday sale. All right. And then last but certainly not least, we do have a 1-week trial for those that are interested. It's only $3. We charge $3 to make sure you're a real person. Everyone has $3. You just have to go to TTGTHREE.com, TTGTHREE.com. It is a one-time payment of $3. There's no auto renew. There's no reoccurring payment. You pay $3. That's it. You can join us for a full week. All right. A full calendar week. Okay. You can join us for a full 7 days. You just have to go to TTGTHREE.com. All right. Otherwise, you guys want to take advantage of the 44% discount, the 2 study groups, the free laptop, the money back guarantee. Guys, you use coupon code TTG121 right here, right now. Click apply code and get your butts in chat. Get your butts in chat. We've been on a tear. All right. Don't let me come back on this live stream tomorrow and tell you about a boom that we hit. All right. I'm telling you now. Don't make me do it again. Don't make me do it. Subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button, guys. Turn on your notifications if you haven't done so already. Thanks for joining me tonight. I love you all. See you guys all in chat tomorrow. Later, guys.